is Tony. Thanks for checking out the video. I'm in a field in Apopka, Florida. It's an empty field, and I'll tell you why I'm there in just a couple of minutes. So between podcasts that I'm doing for beunique.org Unscripted, and between writing articles, and between looking for work, I'm trying to use time to the best of my advantage. And one of the things that any person, making videos or anybody doing any kind of craft work is practice. And also in the world of videography, in technology is always exploding. And of course, all of us are familiar with the drone. The drone has really been an incredible thing to take off. And now with its affordability, anybody can really get a drone and learn the technology and learn how they work, and that's what I've done. But anyway, I have got a drone. I'm out here in this field right now to go ahead and practice with that drone. The drone I've got is pretty damn good. It's made by Holy Stone. And I'm not going to go into the specifics brand. I'm not here to push a brand. I'm just here to do what I'm trying to do with my website, which is Cinematik, which is to practice technology, learn software, learn all those techniques that are now standard issue in the film industry. So in this field, and like with any drone, it's recommended you go to an empty field. And if you have a drone, if you've used a drone, you understand why. But I'm gonna set up. I am going to practice. I'm gonna do some shots, and again, practice makes perfect. I try to do this every day. I love the drone. I think it's great. One of the most amazing shots in any film for me was Stanley Kubrick's The Shining, the opening scene. That opening scene with that helicopter footage is unbelievable. And now, guess what, everybody? You can do that without a helicopter with a drone.
Yeah, I think there's some skepticism there of it being a true one take. It is a true one take. There's no CGI. That was kind of interesting, but also the positive nature of it, of people seeing the skill that it takes and the unique ability to combine the skill of an amazing pilot, the technology of the drone, and the story the story that actually can be told through a one take.
It's a Cinewoop, and so it's literally just a quad that it's pretty small and able to fit through small spaces, and the transmitter is this camera down here, and it just goes right to the goggles. And then the GoPro's it's getting your cinematic video at the end of the day, and obviously there's no audio you can get from it because it's a buzzing drone. So everything for sound has always got to be in post, no matter what. Unfortunately, all people were saying on feedback when the video first went out was all their memories at that place. And even my dad had told me all the times he was there in the 70s. And yeah, so I guess I just didn't realize how special it was to other people. So seeing them hopefully get business again is kind of a really good benefit of doing the video itself.
So, all right, I'm going to set up my drone. I'm going to shoot some footage. I'm going to edit it into this, and we'll go from there. In the Guardian video, one of the many great examples from director-writer Anthony Jaska and his director of photography Jay Christensen is the fluid movement from the drone in the bowling alley. The seamless twists and turns appear effortless, smooth, and natural. It's a slice of life because that is what our own eye movement does for us. On my drone, the controller is extremely sensitive, and you can see that in the footage with my turns and stops. As I was saying, practice is a must. Controlling the drone is like driving a car in that you have to be able to not only know how to control the drone, but feel how to control the drone, just as you feel accelerating your car and stopping your car. Drone work also doubles the odds of obtaining those accidental gifts from the video and film gods. Who knew there would be a falcon, a baby falcon, in its nest? On the ground, you can only see the nest. How much added production value do you get with that kind of footage, including a falcon, baby falcon nesting? And how could that falcon, that baby falcon, ever be seen on your video without your drone? Your drone is incredibly important, and it's incredibly important in today's world of videography. Learning it, mastering it, it's a craft, and it's something that it needs to be in the toolbox when you're doing videos, especially on a freelance basis. The added production value is amazing. And I leave you with this question, and this question only. Can you imagine if Stanley Kubrick had had a drone? This is Tony Taylor with My Cinematics. Thank you for watching.